240 ml cup and filled it with white Canjica, corn for Canjica. I washed it under running water, drained it, and then added half a liter of boiling water. Now I'm going to let this Canjica sit here for an hour, okay, in this boiling water. Now that it's been soaking for a while, I put it together with that boiling water I used to soak it, here, under pressure. I'm going to add a cup of milk. Now I'm going to add a cinnamon stick, 6 cloves, and a heaping tablespoon of butter or margarine. Everything is already here in my pot. I'm going to cover it, turn it on high heat, and when it comes to pressure, I'll lower the heat and count half an hour. Look guys, after you open the pressure cooker, all the liquid evaporates and it looks like this. It's already really tender. Now, here I'm going to add a box of sweetened condensed milk, one of heavy cream, a 200 ml bottle of coconut milk, and a cup of milk, 240 ml. Now we put it back on the stove and keep stirring until it thickens, until it reaches the consistency you like. Let it boil on the stove for another 10 minutes, and it's already at this nice consistency because after it cools down, it thickens a lot. See, I like it like this. When it coats the back of the spoon, that's the right point. If you like, you can also sprinkle some crumbled pachoquinha on top.